Hello, guys. Welcome to the 88th day of the 100 days of technical analysis. I am Pelumi and I will be talking about the coins we chose from day 85 to now. Okay, so on day 85 we chose REN, but that was against BTC. Okay, so today I'll be talking about REN against USDT. Okay, so REN, I'll be expecting REN to hit my TP1 and TP2 here again. But what happened basically was that BTC pushed prices down. Okay, so when that happens, what I see is a chance to buy all of these coins at lower prices. Okay, that's what I see. So I'll be expecting to buy a few part of what I sold here. I'll be expecting to buy part here between 0.296 and 0.291. And just in case BTC still pushes price down, I'll be hoping to buy the remaining here between 0.24 and 0.23 USDT. Okay, so let's go to SRM USDT. Okay, so on SRM USDT, the upsloping trend lines we drew yesterday broke out from the downside, and that has made price to be around 0.996 USDT. Okay, so these boxes are buy zones. So we have buy zone 1 between 1.02 and 1.00. Buy zone 2 is 0.92 and 0.94. And here the third buy zone is between 0.81 and 0.78. So what I'll be doing is I'll buy back in fractions. I can buy 20%, 30%, and 50%. But before I start buying, I would also check BTC to be sure that BTC is done pushing prices down. Okay, so let's check the buy zones for Uni USDT. Okay, this would be my first buy zone. This would be my first buy zone, 3.233 for Uni, and my second buy zone would be 2.835 for my second buy zone on the Uni. But first, like I said, before I finally decide to buy, I would like to be sure that BTC is done pushing prices down. Okay, so if I were to set my TPs for this, my TP1 would be 0.336, 0.413, and 0.463 for REN. And for SRM, my TPs would now be 1.10 and 1.61. And if you'd like to hold for longer, then you can hold for 2.04. Okay, so my TPs for for Uni would be 4.06 and 5.23. Okay, so let's check what BTC is actually saying. Okay, so this is the daily on BTC, and if I had seen this last night before going to bed, and I would have expected the fall that happened this morning, or I would have anticipated it. Okay, this is a bearish Arami pattern. Okay, this is a bearish Arami pattern. It could have also been something else, but you know, you don't really get to know exactly what pattern it is until it confirms to be that pattern. Okay, and it has done its confirmation. Of course, it has done that now. Okay, let's go to the 4 hour. Okay, I would like to say that if BTC closes in this zone in this zone, it might as far as 15,009 if it closes in this zone, or below here. If it closes below here, I might expect BTC here as 15,009 and 15,007. Okay, uh, okay, I might expect BTC there. Okay, so back to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, see something like this that looks like a double top, but it's too close for me. But then that's the formation we have here. Price was rejected here and price was rejected again. So this looks like a double top, and it confirmed here. If I had seen this too, I would have expected BTC to fall, or I might have even entered for a short, okay, on BTC, because this right here is a bad sign. And when I say it, I expect price to fall, even though I don't exactly agree that it is a double top because of the closeness of both tops. Okay, so this happened when we were almost touching the previous ATH. Okay, and we know that the last time this happened, we took years to get back to this position. So I'll be watching what price would be doing from here. If price stalls at this point, then it would be that price is most likely planning to go go up, but it might as well continue downwards. But these are key points that I would be expecting markets to stall or reverse from are 16,670 and okay 15,939. So on the 1 hour, let's see if we can find something different on the 1 hour. Okay, on the 1 hour, we have this. This is an inverse armor. It might mean that price is about to reverse, but I wouldn't bank on that until I get the confirmation. And this is 1 hour. I rarely trade BTC on 1 hour. I rarely trade BTC on 1 hour. But given that this is just on top of a support, I might want to give it some consideration. So I'll expect if I see a green candle from here on this particular one, if it ends up being a green candle, then I would expect that okay, price might actually begin to go up from here. But I won't expect it to be for long, except higher time frames confirm the same thing to me. Okay, so thank you all for coming around for the 88. Do have a wonderful day and see you all tomorrow.